Looks like the deer is back. The baby bambino is back. This time I'm using my Sony camera, the AX53, but my battery's almost dead. It's like somebody out there mowing now on the golf course. Oh yeah, we still got a lot of water. I can't believe that deer came back, because he really took off last time. I expect he'll run again here any minute. Hello, good morning. Oh, there he goes. The Sony has a much better viewfinder on it, so makes it a little easier to track him. And there he goes, same thing as last time. And he's gone. Okay, back on the Canon camera here. Old Canon camcorder. I was out mowing, and I mowed right by another baby fawn white-tailed deer. He didn't even move. So let's take a look at that. You can see he's nestled right down in the grass there. And you can see how close I got to him with the mower. And he didn't even move. Well, here comes the spousal unit. Getting the camcorder. No, she's put her phone up. Oh, look at this one. This is not the same one we were looking at before. This one's even smaller. This one's like teensy. Absolutely able to run though. There's my foot. Yeah, he's able to run, but he's even smaller.
Hi there.
Don't talk so loud, Lori. You'll scare him.
Hi there, sweetie.
I have to pet him.
Hi.
You can see he's not really asleep.
Hi there.
But I got a feeling that
You're
deer.
so cute.
Do you think deer maybe can't see very well? Do they need glasses? I've noticed that they don't seem to see people very well. If you stay still, they don't even know you're there.
Hi there, sweetie.
But such pretty spots. Yeah.
It's a wonder you didn't run over him.
Yeah, you can see I went right by within a foot of them with a mower. I thought it was some mushrooms at first. You're not mushrooms though, are you? You're just a little baby. A little fawn baby.
Hi, sweetie. Are you just tired?
I haven't heard one make a bleat.
Bleep. Bleep, 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 bleep. Bleep.
That's kind of what it sounds like. I'm not a very good bleater.
Hi there, sweetie.
Yeah. Well, let's see if I can get them to. I'll go back here and I'll see if I can wiggle my tail. Bring the phone out of the way for a minute, and I'm going to do a little tail wiggle. Sometimes if you do a tail wiggle, they'll get up. Want some milk? Won't get no milk out of my butt. There we go. Come on, let's get some milk. Oh, he's pretty well out of it. Can you get that close up? That's a real close up. You gonna put that on Facebook?
Yeah.
Let's see how he looks from this side.
That's two of them we've seen, Fan.
I just gotta pet this one. Oh yeah, they're very soft. Yeah. And usually they don't have any ticks when they're new. Yeah. So cute. You can see his little hooves there. Let's see. I'm gonna get back because of the focus. Yeah, you can see the little hoofs. Some grass on the hoofs. It's got at least 2 fingers. Little split hoofs. Sorry about the focus. It just doesn't do very well up close.
Hey
Yeah.
John, this is the second baby deer we found in our yard this time.
Yeah, I can't believe there's so
Here.
many this year. I don't know why there's so many, because there's dogs around here and everything. Maybe the neighbors aren't home. Usually their dog is out on the porch there. Down there on the porch. But no, he's not out, so. And the 2 dogs that were across the street, they seem to have disappeared as well. So maybe that's what's going on. We got a dogless area. All right, I guess he's not going to get up. He's just going to sleep right there. We'll check back on him later, after I mow the grass. Well, the baby deer fawn ran off while I was mowing. He was right there, in that little circle right there. Yeah, I scared him off with a mower. And then he ran down through the neighbor's backyard here. And he ran actually into the backyard of that 3rd house down there. Okay, so he might have gone, I watched him go in the deck right here. And he might have gone, that's just a swing, I don't know where he went. But I saw him run into the deck right there. He might have gone into that bush or run around the corner. You might come see him, I can't see him. The viewfinder's hard to see in. But yeah, if he went there, I'm not going to be able to walk over there and see him, but that's what I got.